In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create coffee motion graphics in Canva in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a coffee aficionado eager to express your love for this beloved beverage, or someone who's looking to jazz up their social media content, this tutorial will guide you through the easy steps to create stunning motion graphics. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open Canva, which is an incredibly user-friendly design tool that's perfect for creating all sorts of graphics, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer. Once you've launched Canva, it's time to start a new project. So go ahead and create a new design and make sure to select the video option. Choosing a video format right from the start ensures that your motion graphics will have the flexibility they need for animations. After setting up your canvas, it's time to think about the mood you want to convey with your coffee graphics. Choosing the right background is crucial here, so look for something that speaks to the theme of coffee. Is it warm and cozy, bold and energizing, or perhaps something oriented towards modern cafe vibes? Whatever fits best with your vision, select a background that captures that essence. Now that you've set the stage, it's time to populate it with beautiful visuals. Search for high-quality coffee photos or illustrations. These can be anything from a close-up shot of a steaming cup to artistic representations of coffee beans. Remember, the quality of these images is key as they will be the core elements of your motion graphic. Once you've added your desired image to the canvas, click on it and use the background remover tool. This is a neat feature in Canva that lets you isolate the main subject of your image, making it really stand out against your background. To bring your design to life, highlight each object and click on Animate. You'll find a variety of animation styles. Pick the one that enhances the feel of your coffee theme. This step adds dynamic movement to your graphic, making it engaging and eye-catching. For that extra touch of realism, go over to the Elements section and search for Steam Animation. Adding steam can give your motion graphic an inviting and warm look, making it feel like you can almost smell the fresh brew. Next, enhance your message with typography. Add some elegant and minimal text, perhaps the name of a special coffee drink or an inspirational quote related to coffee. Keep it simple so it complements rather than overpowers your visuals. Finally, when you've got everything just the way you like it, it's time to share your masterpiece. Click on the Share button and download your design as an MP4 file. This format ensures that all your animations and elements work seamlessly when you share them with your audience. And there you have it. You've just created an enticing coffee motion graphic in Canva within 5 minutes. Enjoy sharing your creation with the world and celebrate your coffee passion and style.